Goose Club Playhouse.
Driving in my car.
Hi, I'm Arthur, and these are my friends Katie and Luke.
Hi, Mother Goose Club.
Today, we're pretending to be the buses from Tile the little bus. I'm Tile. Tile likes to play with his friends and play pranks on them.
I'm Bonnie. Bonnie is friendly and always looking for the best in people. She can be timid sometimes, but she's good at keeping the other little buses out of trouble.
And I'm Gani. Gani is smart, hardworking, and patient.
We're hanging out at Tile's garage.
Soon, we're gonna be driving all over Tile City.
While we drive, we're going to sing one of our favorite Mother Goose Club songs, Driving in My Car.
Yeah, let's do this. Come on, let's get rolling.
Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Driving in my car, feeling like a star, bouncing down the street in my car.
Driving in my car, turn the handlebar, speeding down the street in my car. Yeah, woohoo!
Bouncing on a bumpy road, stopping for a hopping toad, going to my favorite part. Hurry before it gets dark. In my car.
In my car.
Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car.
Driving in my car, feeling like a star, bouncing down the street in my car.
Driving in my car, turn the handlebar, speeding down the street in my car. Vroom, vroom.
Yeah, woohoo!
Tooting on the horn, driving round from dusk till dawn, going near and going far. I'm a superstar!
Yeah!
In my car. In my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving.
Wow, that was a long day, but I had a lot of fun driving around the city.
Me too. Thanks for joining us.
Don't forget to check out our friends Tayo, Lonnie, and Gani on the Tayo the Little Bus YouTube channel.
If you liked our adventure today, you'll love their videos.
Bye!
Tayo, 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 he's a friendly little bus.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse.